right? It should be very easy for you to talk to someone and say, hey, I believe that my baked goods should reach 1,000 people this month or this quarter, whatever your goals are, and you really genuinely, honestly believe in that, then use that to fuel your fire. You're not looking at this to get ahead, right? You're not trying to take over the world. You're trying to live your purpose, live your cause, and be good to your community. Right? There's nothing wrong with that. And you have a ton of people that you're also in the same society with that don't have that mindset, right? So just know that you have that genuine desire to serve, right? And there will be people that also have that same desire, and they'll recognize that when you connect with them. And if you connect with someone who's pretty schlocky, you don't want to have a relationship with that person. It's not worth the transactional relationship.